Saudi officials clear the reason behind this tragic collapse of a crane over what has become an increasingly busy construction site around the Grand Mosque in Mecca was bad weather, rain, severe rain and heavy winds that caused the temperature, according to CNN's weather experts, to drop from 42 degrees centigrade to 25. So powerful were these gusts. Now, this is the holiest site for the Muslim faith. It contains the Kaaba, a key black cube which was said to be the beginning place of worship, around which, to complete the Hajj pilgrimage, Muslims who are able-bodied must travel to Mecca and walk round the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise. The Grand Mosque is the building that surrounds it. It's been expanded at a fast pace to try and cope with over 2 million people, potentially at just one time. And this tragic